We're back at another Caravan and Motorhome campsite. This one has had a recent refurb. The question is, what's it like? Let's find out. Today we're reviewing the newly refurbished Old Hartley Caravan and Motorhome Club site near Whitley Bay, where we stayed for a night on our way back from Scotland. At a cost of £46 for two people in high season. The site offers stunning sea views across the rugged northeast coast and is a perfect spot to break up a long trip or to explore the local area. Getting there is simple. The site is at the end of the B1325 and is easily accessed via the A1, A19 or A69, depending on where you're coming from. There are 57 hard-standing pitches, all with electric hookup, and the site has a single, newly updated facilities block that includes toilets, showers, laundry and washing up areas. At the entrance you'll find the De Laval Arms, a charming historic pub offering great food and real ale. And if you want to explore without the camper van, there's a couple of bus stops close by which will take you into Whitley Bay or further up the Northumberland coast. There's also easy access to the coastal path for a walk into Whitley Bay or a trip down to the beach. We arrived after a couple of hours drive down from our last stop in North Berwick. The wardens, Helen and Alan, gave us a friendly and helpful welcome, just like we've come to expect from most of the club sites. They've informed us which pitches were available, gave us some recommendations and handed over a key for the newly refurbished toilet block. We opted for a pitch opposite the facilities block as we always preferred being close by, especially handy for those late night visits to the toilets. The pitches are what you'd expect from a club site, high quality and well maintained. There was a real mix of levels and it's definitely worth considering bringing your ramps. Also, being right by the sea cliff, the wind can be unpredictable, so there's a rule about sun awnings. You can put them up, but they need to be taken down overnight or if you're leaving the site and leaving your van behind. Definitely something to keep in mind. The facilities here are excellent. The toilet and shower block have been refurbished to a high standard. They are clean, modern and well maintained. In our experience, CAMC sites generally have great facilities, but this one is on another level. The facilities building also includes a well-maintained chemical waste point, and for those needing to clean up after meals, there's a spacious washing up area with 3 sinks and plenty of hot water. If you're on a longer trip and need to do some laundry, you'll be pleased to know there are a couple of modern washer dryers available. These machines are coin operated, so make sure you have some change handy. The reception stocks a few basic essentials, so if you run out or forget something, there's no need to worry. You can pick up items like milk, eggs and a selection of snacks to keep you going during your stay. They also carry a small range of toiletries which can be a lifesaver if you've left something behind. While it's not a full shop, it's convenient for those little bits you might need. Just a short way from the site entrance you'll find the De Laval Arms. It's a traditional, welcoming pub where the food is hearty and well priced, with a menu that offers something for everyone, whether you fancy a quick bite or a full meal. And I'm pleased to report that they offer a good selection of real ales too. There's a dedicated motorhome service point where you can easily top up your fresh water and empty your wastewater. In addition, there's a single, well-organised recycling and rubbish point, making it simple to dispose of your waste responsibly. The bins are clearly labelled, so it's easy to sort your rubbish and to do your bit for the environment. There's also an information area on site, which is a really handy resource if you're planning to explore the local area. You'll find leaflets, maps and details about nearby attractions, places to visit and local transport options. Whether you're looking for a scenic walk, local events or recommendations for day trips, the information area has you covered. So what's nearby? First off, Whitley Bay is a bustling seaside town with a lovely sandy beach, perfect for family days out or a peaceful walk around the shore. We only had a couple of hours here, but we were really impressed with what we saw along the seafront. One notable feature is the Spanish City, a beautifully restored building offering a great selection of dining options, from restaurants to fish and chips, all with lovely coastal views. The recently renovated promenade also adds to the charm, making it ideal for a relaxing stroll with fantastic views of the coastline. However, once you move away from the seafront, the town centre felt a bit run down in comparison. It's a shame, as with a bit more care the town centre could match the appeal of the seafront. We only stayed for one night to break up our journey home, but as you can see from the map, this site is a great base to explore the Northumberland coast or for heading off into Newcastle. So what did we like about our stay at Old Hartley? The welcome from the wardens was spot on, very friendly and helpful. The facilities were excellent after the recent refurb. There were great sea views from across the site. What didn't we like? While Whitley Bay seafront was lovely, the town centre itself was a bit run down. So would we stay again? Yes, definitely. It's great for a stopover if you're passing through or if you want to explore more of this beautiful part of the northeast coast. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this review. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow. We'll see you again soon for another video.